collection. Today we're going to be dropping the LG, I think it's the VX something, I don't remember. The LCD is bad, it just stays white. So we're going to do a bag drop on it. In 3, 2, 1. The back came off. Isn't really surprising. See if we can get the back cover back on. So it looks like it took a whole bunch of nicks around the edges. You know, typical bottom drop. See if it turns back on. Yep. All its whiteness. So we're going to do a corner drop. Oh, I forgot to pause the slow motion. That's going to be a long edit. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, got the back. It's fun. I feel like it's going to be a repeater of taking the back and stuff off. This back covers broken, I think, right here on this side. Yeah, see, it doesn't clip in this place like it's supposed to. Let's go and turn it on, see if it still works. Yep, still works. Right here's where I took the drop, it looks like. Kind of all around, maybe right there too. Let's go ahead and do a face down. In 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and slide the back on. Looks like it took damage all over the front. Looks like I also turned up. Oh, it's still on. Alrighty, let's go and do the face down when it's open drop. In 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, that's not good. Still working though. Looks like we can just push it back into place maybe. Alright, looks like it just clips back into place. I don't have very much faith in this one surviving the throw test. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and angle the tripod up and throw it. In 3, 2, 1. Just gonna grab the back. Looks like it hit right here really hard on the side. Oh, still on. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the drop test of the LG VX something. And stay tuned for more.